Let's evaluate the expression negative 8m minus 4q squared plus s divided by 3 when m equals 4, q equals negative 3, and s equals negative 24. The first step is to write down the expression. After writing the expression, I like to show our multiplication. Anytime you see a letter next to a number, this means multiply. So negative 8m really means negative 8 times m. Negative 4q squared is the same thing as negative 4 times q squared. This is very important because once you separate it out, you notice that you're going to have to do the exponents first before you multiply. Then we just bring down the rest of the expression. After you show your multiplication, the next step is to plug in or replace all of your variables or your letters with their numbers. So m was 4, q was negative 3, and s is negative 24. Our next step is to use the order of operations to begin solving. The first step is parentheses, and we're looking for parentheses that have math operations inside. This parentheses only holds a number. There is no operations to do, so we can skip our parentheses step. Next, we look for exponents. We have an exponent here on negative 3. Negative 3 to the second power is 9. Then you need to bring down the rest of the expression. Now that our exponents are done, we need to look for multiplication and division. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. Negative 4 times 9 is negative 36, so we're going to have that work as a double agent again. Then we bring down our plus sign, and then we have negative 24 divided by 3, which is negative 8. In algebra, we don't like to see two signs next to each other. Adding a negative is the same thing as subtracting or having a negative. So I call this an uh-oh. Anytime we have an uh-oh, we turn it into a negative or a minus. So adding a negative 8 is the same thing as subtracting 8. Then we bring down the rest of the expression. We now have negative 32 minus 36 minus 8. Since all we have left is adding and subtracting, we can add and subtract from left to right. Our final answer is negative 76.